Hi everyone, I want to talk a little bit about the research paper. And so I want to start by just saying that the research paper has to be a total of 4 full pages, meaning it touches the bottom of the fourth page, if not even going on to the fifth page. And so it must be a total of 4 pages. However, this paper is not a traditional essay. It's a little bit different. It's a research reflection paper, which means that it's going to be a kind of a combination of you presenting the research you found while also presenting your reflection or your critique of that research. And so because it has kind of these two parts, research and reflection going on, there are what we call sections of the paper. And these sections are broken up by what we call headers. And in the paper outline that I give you, I've already broken up each section and I've already labeled all the headers. And so you want to make sure you keep the headers. Don't delete them unless it tells you to replace them with something else. But make sure you keep the headers and I'll kind of show you what that looks like. But the most important thing is really just follow the format of the Google Doc. If you follow the format of the Google Doc, you will have no problem, making sure that you're in the correct format. And so, again, it's not a traditional essay. It looks a little bit different, but if you follow the format, you will be fine. So what does the research reflection paper look like? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the Google Doc that's on Schoology. When you open it up, what I want you to do is I want you to start with the subtopics. The outline is going to have the introduction at the top, but you don't want to start with introduction. We always write the introduction at the end when we're already done with the body paragraphs. So you want to start with the subtopics or the body paragraphs. And so start with the first subtopic. And when it says subtopic, pretty much it just means what is one of your highlighted color topics? What's one of the highlighted colors that you created? And so in green here, it says one of your colors will always become one of your topics. So if you have 4 colors, it means you'll end up having 4 subtopics. And so each color is going to become a subtopic. For every subtopic that you have, you're going to have 2 sections or 2 parts. The first part is called the research part. And we always start with the research section first. And this is where you present the facts that you found, you tell us the quotes from the articles, and you give us any other findings that you have from the article. You can give as many research facts as you want. The only requirement is that you have to have at least 2. You must have at least 2 citations, meaning you have to have 2 of those in-text citations in the research section. Once you're done presenting the research, then you jump down to section 2. And section 2 is its own kind of paragraph. And this is where you do your reflection. This is where you as the student, as the researcher, because you're the one who was researching this topic, this is where you give us your opinion about the research. This is where you tell us, what you think, why this research is important, how it connects to your thesis. And so every subtopic or every highlighted color is going to have 2 sections, a research section and a reflection section. And this is why it's called a research reflection paper.